Hello everyone. So today here I'm teaching Tibetan words Theng or Thengma. So these both are same, okay? So that means times. So see, I will explain with the examples. So first one, Nge Theng Chik Lapayin. So that means I told once, okay? And then another example, Nge Thet Di Thengma Chik Lakpayin. So that means I read this book once. Okay? And then another one, Nga Phela Theng Ni Chimbayin. I went to Tibet twice. Another one, Nge Mong Mo Thengma Nga Söbayin. So that means I met Mong Mo 5 times. Okay, so this is the example and how to use the Theng and Thengma. Okay, Theng and Thengma is the same. Thank you and then see you in next video.